KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, hopefully you enjoyed a couple of days of sunshine, albeit awfully frosty in the morning hours once again today. Milder temperatures ahead, feeling spring-like Friday into the weekend, and it looks like some spring storms Saturday and perhaps a severe weather threat as well. More on that in just a bit. In fact, let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery in the upper level pattern at 500 millibars, which is roughly at about 18,000 feet. And the water vapor imagery shows us all the moisture in the atmosphere, and it really helps us key in on upper disturbances especially. You can see a big one here by British Columbia off of Vancouver, another one rotating around that one coming around here, and then we have the very heavy rainfall that's been falling across California, now snow in the mountains, and a nice atmospheric river that goes all the way back here through Honolulu. So a very interesting weather pattern with all this deep moisture moving into the southwest, and then we're going to get a little taste of it. But the main storm track with this system is going to be from the southwest up into the upper Midwest, but there will be a trailing front that'll give us a good chance of storms eventually as we head into Saturday afternoon. And once we get rain chances in the area, they're not going to leave for maybe the better part of a week, so we'll have to watch that as well. High resolution visible infrared satellite imagery showing us those high clouds streaming across the area, but generally fair skies. You can see the stars out in Lafayette, but notice this feature right here, stratiform clouds. They're making a run for the coast and then for the rest of Acadiana. So temperatures right now 43 degrees, will drop 2 or 3 degrees more here in Lafayette or wherever you are before those clouds come in, and then the temperatures will hold steady and then rise as we head toward daybreak. And you can see those clouds coming in by tomorrow morning, with it a warm front as well. So temperatures in the mid 40s, but then they'll warm quickly into the mid 60s tomorrow afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies, few blips here and there, might see a 10% chance of an isolated sprinkle, but not expecting much rainfall. And it stays mild overnight tomorrow night through Friday morning. In fact, temperatures holding in the mid 60s there, getting into the mid 70s on Friday. Maybe a few pop-up showers. There'll be a couple of ripples in the upper atmosphere and may ignite a shower, perhaps even a thunderstorm, but rain chance 20-30% Friday. And by Friday evening, it looks like things will quiet down, although I think we're seeing a little bit of a signal of some sea fog trying to come in. Temperatures and dew points up there, so we might see some misty drizzles as we head into the first Downtown Alive, featuring Givers and the Micho Melody Makers. So that's going to be a good show Friday evening as well. And then as we move ahead into Saturday morning, staying breezy and warm, showers and storms, the threat of severe weather, Arklatex on northeastward into Arkansas. And you can see how strong those storms look. And locally here, it looks like more of a scattered or broken line of showers and thunder showers that'll be moving on through. But after all that is being said, there is a little bit of a severe weather threat in the European model showing not a continuous line of storms moving through the area. So we're only going 60-70% chance for Saturday for right now. But then frontal boundary becomes nearly stationary Sunday. Some showers in the area. Monday it drops to the south. Then Tuesday it moves back to the north, and we can change the timing of this. But the bottom line will cool down a little bit, and then we'll warm back up, and another weather system next Wednesday may deliver another round of showers and storms and the threat of severe weather, and that one looks a little bit more potent than what we're going to see on Saturday. And then toward the end of next week, finally after Thursday, rain chances are done, and we could be setting up for a nice weekend that follows thereafter. As for the severe weather threats, Saturday, all of Acadiana, much of Louisiana, except the immediate coast, is hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms with damaging winds, perhaps isolated tornadoes. That's a level 2 out of 5, a 15% chance. But I think off to the north, we're going to see a possible upgrade to enhanced, and maybe right along I-10 on southward may drop down to a marginal risk. We're still 3.5 days away from this event, so the Storm Prediction Center will change their forecasts accordingly when they see a more definitive threat. And I think there's going to be one northeastern Louisiana, northeastern Texas, into Arkansas, and then Mississippi as well. So something that we'll be watching closely as we go into the week. weekend. Temperatures tonight, maybe upper 30s to near 40 northern parishes, lower 40s I-10 corridor. I think Lake Charles has already hit their low for the night with clouds coming in, and temperatures lower 40s farther to the east, and those clouds coming in by morning. But still, we managed to warm up into the mid-60s tomorrow afternoon. I think Futurecast is a little shy on getting us a little bit warmer than indicated here. We stay in the 60s tomorrow night for the most part, and then well into the 70s for your Friday. So chilly, but not as cold. Clouds on the increase overnight tonight. 41 the low over the next couple of hours. Then temperatures rise. 66 the high tomorrow. Back to the gray skies again. That's the way it's gone much of this winter and early meteorological spring, we'll call it. 20-30% chance of a few showers Friday. There's 70% for Saturday, and maybe that threat of severe weather. Clocks move ahead 1 hour Sunday, so we lose a little sleep this weekend. But the cloud cover will allow you to take a nap Sunday afternoon if you need, with a 40% chance of showers and rain chances on and off, with another good chance of storms next Wednesday. And then hopefully, I'm keeping my fingers crossed on a sunny weekend, and the first one that we've had in 2019 coming up.
It's been a while.
in a week and a half.
Well, the temperatures are starting to get on track.
Yeah, well, you know, it's getting close to mid-March.
It's time.
They better start getting on track.
All right, thanks, Rob.